Hi there, I am Jen Hammerly-Drascic of Happy Droolers, and I am going to be selling my wares at the Waukesha Midwest Magic Fest, so I wanted to give a little bit of information about what I will have. Pretty big Potterhead here, and I really love the series, and definitely a Ravenclaw, but I have high Slytherin tendencies. So just to get you some of the stuff that I have, I'm going to be flipping my camera to my table to kind of show you what I have going on and to highlight some of the things. So I have, let's just start here. I have a whole bunch of headbands. These are adult size headbands. The knot in them means that you can adjust them to be the perfect size for your head, which is really exciting. I have kid-size headbands, so, in the younger kids, preteen ages, that would be a better fit, especially once you get toddler up to probably like 7 or 8. That's a good fit. And then I have infant ones for the teeny tinies. So all of those are headbands, and I also have these really fun coffee cozies, whatever you might call them. So I have this one on as a demonstration. So it snaps, or it can slide on and off of your beverage container, although you don't want to slide it on and off if it is full, because that could cause some spilling. You'll notice that the two that I have are in the Hufflepuff fabric, but that doesn't mean that that's all you will have. In fact, I have quite a few of these that I'm still working on. These are just happen to be the ones that I have completely done and that I brought up. I have a bunch of hair ties, so you can see, where is it? There it is. You can see the fabric. It goes around the regular hair tie, and then we have a little bit of Potter bling. Pretty popular last year at the festivals that I did, so I definitely wanted to make sure I have some of those. This is, scale back a little bit, this is a drool bed. It's actually like an infant drool bed. It's actually a bandana, so it would go kind of off to the side. And again, I have Hufflepuff out because I started with Hufflepuff and I did most of my Hufflepuffs things, but I also have another of other ones in the works. And then we have some Christmas ornaments. So I have a bunch of Christmas ornaments. Some of them are glass, which I'm realizing right now that I didn't bring upstairs to show, but then I have all of these fabric ones. So each house, there we go. Each house will have like some of these fabric ones, and then fabric ones that have the house crest. So we have Gryffindor, we have Hufflepuff, we have Slytherin, and I don't have a Ravenclaw one of these yet, but I definitely will have some Ravenclaws there. So those are my ornaments. Like I said, we'll have some glass ones as well. I have coffee mugs with some very cool vinyl decals on them. So it has the symbol for each of the houses and Hogwarts. And some wine glasses. Some will have just the individual one animal. Others I made with the multiples of the individual house animal. So Slytherin here. Have some goodies. These ones are baby size, or about a year-old size. I have these all sized out. I have definitely a couple pairs that I'll be bringing along, and then I have the sizing charts and the measuring that I can help people figure out if they like these. And my stuff is all custom to order as well, so I can always, make some pairs of them for future. I have a bunch of pants, Slytherin pants, Gryffindor pants, and Hufflepuff pants, no Ravenclaws at the moment. These pants are called Maxi-Leans, and so they fit really nicely from about 6 months to age 4 for the size ones, and from about 12 months to age 5 or 6 for the size 2. So that's pretty spectacular. Slytherin shirt, little shirt. I have to reach. I have, oh, I'm going to hold this one up and the next one. I have skirt with all of the proclamations on it. And I have another skirt at the moment, a Ravenclaw stripes skirt. And then wrapping up, I've got a couple of pillow items. We have this a meeple pillow. I have my Ravenclaw with me, and I have my Slytherin with me, and I have my Gryffindor with me. I do not have the Hufflepuff of that at the moment, but what I do have is a Hufflepuff, ooh, there it is, throw pillow. So, we've got some Hufflepuff represented, don't worry. And I think that's pretty much the stuff that I have at the moment. Oh, I was going to show. I have a number, that would be my phone falling down. I have a number of things in the works. For instance, I've got this really awesome panel. And that is going to be an infant sleep gown. I just did one like it. It's pretty cool. I have this panel. And that is going to be a kid shirt, so that's pretty exciting. And I have definitely some more fabric stuff, and there'll be lots more of the things that you saw to have kind of equal representation for all of the houses and all that good stuff. So, I'm looking forward to seeing lots of people in Waukesha